our home, always at home friend, the chair. The chair is always at home waiting for us to exercise, to train. There are many things we can do. We are working. First, a basic exercise, one step of each around the chair. If I start here on the left corner that is closer to you, away from the screen for you, I start forward, side, then backward, and then side. And here I am back in the beginning, ready to step forward. This is one way to start with the forward step. That forward step has the name of one. The next side step is a 2 and the backward step is a 3. Keep in mind those numbers as a way we call this position. Good. And now we can practice the other direction. Starting also with the 1, with the forward. See, always you come back to the starting point to making the same step. Here we start with the 1 and we will be back to the 1. Here also you can apply the idea to keep your torso long. Good. Now look, let's do this. A forward, backward. And then here we do the slow down. I want that you touch here the leg of the chair at the level of the floor without looking. It's the same that your partner stops you and then you touch his foot. Normally behind the heel of the leader. And here let's do this. Let's do a forward 8. And because in the pattern we are going to work today, I am also going to place my foot in front of the follower. Let's touch this leg. Stop if you want. Also you can touch here. You can touch here. You can go over, or maybe the leader remove the foot. So you pass, and here in the 8, touch. Touch, touch, touch. It's a good way to practice like if you have your partner here.
Con el tango más amargo, su cansancio fue tan largo que el cansancio pudo más.
Good. One more time, and then from here, I will keep going with another forward 8, and then side, and then backward 8, up to this stop. Let's come back, forward, backward, pause, touch, touch, over, forward 8, touch, and now a forward 8 that goes into the side, goes into another backward 8, and here your partner stops you. Let's come back, forward, backward, side, touch, touch. forward 8, backward, and partner as me. Post here. Again, from the beginning, back and forth. Touch and touch. Forward 8, touch. Forward 8 to go around the chair in the 3. Backward 8, pause there. Again, let's go back to the beginning. Forward, backward. My partner stops me. Always touch if your partner plays a full. Here no, let's keep going. Backward 8 and pause here. We can finish with a pause. Ready for the show.